We're sharing.
You gotta be bad.
I am being bad.
You gotta be bad.
I am being bad.
Hey,
You gotta share.
I gotta share
Share
you
with Grandma.
with my. Gotta share with
You're
my.
being bad.
Hey, I gotta share with my. Gotta
I
share
am
with
being
you.
bad. You gotta share.
My tractor.
You gotta share.
Tractor.
Why don't you share?
I don't have.
You're supposed to share because that's good.
Yeah.
Isn't it nice to share? Aren't you gonna be nice?
No. It's not. You gotta be bad.
I gotta be bad?
Yeah.
No, you're bad.
No, you're
No,
bad.
you're bad because you won't share.
No, you're bad.
Don't take it out. I put it in her hair.
No.
You're sharing.
No, I'm not selling.
Grandma's gonna cry.
Yeah, you got quiet.
Grandma's gonna send you to your room. Because you're pretty bad. Yes, you are. I'm gonna sit Grandpa on you. I'm gonna send you in there to Grandpa. You gotta share.
Yeah.
You gonna share?
Yeah. I got sash and you got this back. There you go.
Thank you.
Well, now you'll share because you don't want to go in there with Grandpa. You want to go get Grandpa?
Does Grandpa get you? Grandpa's gonna get those?
Yeah. Guess what we did with Jack? Guess what we did with Jack?
I can't leave him there because I'll fall down the couch.
Are you upset, Brianna?
Yeah.
Because you gotta share. Tell Mommy
I'm really mad.
you're mad.
Yeah. I'm sick.
You're sick?
Yeah.
You're sick and mad? Why are you mad?
Because I'm sick.
Because you're sick?
Yeah.
What are you
You're
doing?
sick of sharing?
Yeah.
You're sick of sharing?
Yeah.
Why are you sick of sharing?
I'm just sick of shine.
Isn't sharing nice?
Yeah.
You don't want to be nice?
I just be nice.
You being nice because you gave these all to me?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Papa don't them.
Papa don't get them?
Papa
How
don't
about if I
get my
gave them
jack.
to Papa and he could play with them?
Okay.
I can give them to Papa?
No.
No?
You got put it on the back.
I gotta bring it back?
You got put it on the back.
Put it in the bag.
Hey! Yeah, put it on the back. That back. Yeah. That's what's here? Come on here. Okay. Where's the shirt?
Can Grandma wear this to work?
Yeah. No. This one.
You're not gonna share?
Don't break it, Bree. It won't fit in there.
It won't fit in the bag. It's too big.
Okay.
So,
Sure. I'm gonna put this on.
do you want me to help you?
Yeah, you gotta help me. Yeah.
Is that nice for Grandma to help you? And you say, what do you say?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That looks painful.